Hello, welcome back to my YouTube channel, and today I am going to review, or let me call a short review or an introduction to the HMT Janata Devnagri Black Dial edition. And this is one of most brilliant watch from the house of HMT, and a really well made, a really good looking, and it represents a lot of um, things in the modern watchmaking from HMT, that has the touch of retro feeling, the nostalgia, as well as the recent editions that HMT has launched, and they have planned to launch this Black Devnagri edition. So this is something really cool and worth having. So let's take a quick look. The case size is usual HMT Janata 36 mm. The movement on this watch is 0231 hand winding movement. The lug width is 18 mm, that supports any standard 18 mm HMT strap. So I have put it on this khaki netto parade strap, so it gives a really nice contrast to it. The movement as usual is hand winding, as you know that we have to wind all the HMT watches. Now let's go to the dial. The dial has the metal indices of HMT and metal insert, and then Janata is printed in Devnagri version, Devnagri Lipi or Devnagri script, or someone can simply call it Hindi if they are not much into technical details of the scripts and all. The numerals are also in Devnagri, so 12, 1, 2 and up to 12 it is everything is in Devnagri script. Parashock is also in Devnagri script. If you know that the Parashock is the proprietary shock resistant technology used by the citizen certified HMT movements, and this 17 jewels means the 17 jewels suspended mechanical movement. But apart from this, the most interesting feature is the case back here. So let me show the case back to you, and I will get back to it. Now this is a really nice well made see-through case back. If you can see here, the HMT 17 jewels is mentioned here, the standard 0231 movement. Now the case back numbering has also changed. Here is the HMT etching. This is 010820. 01 is the factory code of the Bangalore. 0120 perhaps is the month and the year, means 2020. I have bought this in 2020. And this is the SS back, means SS case back. And the entire movement is visible. You can see the beauty of a simple HMT 17 jewels hand winding movement. The cover here is the mineral glass cover, but the cover in the crystal in the front is the standard acrylic crystal that comes with every HMT Janata or Pilot series of watches. So this they have launched in some limited numbers with original Janata hands and everything. But if you want to go for a more modern look kind of HMT Janata Devnagri, they also have some of these watches listed on their website, that is www.hmtwatches.in. But they have recently upgraded the hands to full lume hands, and as well as a red seconds hand as well. So you can go there, definitely take a look, and I think that you will definitely like the watch. So so thanks for watching the video. Do like, share and subscribe, and don't forget to share the video and post your likes and comments. And if you have some questions, do ask, and keep collecting watches and stay safe.